Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. These look like they are newer tablets. They also came out with, I believe it's called the M10 Plus, third generation, which we did a video on the second generation a while back, videos on that. This is an open box from Best Buy, as you can see there. It's supposed to be in excellent condition, which means it should be like a brand new device. So we'll see. So I've been screwed over from Best Buy before with the open box stuff. So this is a 11-inch device. It looks really nice. Normally 250 bucks. Best Buy has them down to, I think it's 205, 210, something like that. And then being open box, I got it for 195 plus taxes, of course. So let's see if we can grab this out of here. So normally it'd probably be wrapped up, but being open box, it is not. Put it off to the side for a second here. So we have the little, probably for a micro SD card slot guy there. We have the Lenovo P11 Plus. Some paperwork. Let's see how this opens here. Alright, so we have, see, they actually got this thing back in there pretty nicely. As again, this is not new. Actually says 2.0 on there. Seems kind of weird how it's cut off. I don't know, maybe it's 20 watt would be my guess. It is USB Type C. I feel like there's something else in this middle part, but it might just be for display. Yeah, it's just for display. Okay, kind of figured that. So let's put this off to the side for the moment. So our charger. Put that on the ground for a second. Alright, so here's our device. This actually looks like it's in very good shape, which it should be. We have a camera up there. It's very hard to see. So we have volume rocker right here. We have a mic. Looks like another mic. We have the micro SD card slot right there. Let's get this focused out a bit more. So it looks like we have two speakers, one here, one there. Power button. This looks like a spot for a dock, which I'm sure is the other Lenovo tablet we did had a dock. I think it actually came with, I think it was a keyboard or something, I can't remember exactly. Two more speakers, so it looks like it's quad speakers. You guys can let me know if one of these is actually just fake like they are on the iPads, which was a giant disappointment. The mic, USB Type C right there. We actually have flash and a camera. I wonder how good that camera actually is. I also have Dolby Atmos right there. Alright, so we're turning it on here. Plugged it in with a giant USB Type C cable I have. Not the one I came with. But first impressions is this feels actually very nice. This feels very premium. Feels like a nice Samsung, if you will. You have actually two different textures. This is different from this. It's pretty cool. I like it. So let me get this guy set up and I'll... Alright, so it is set up all the way. So let's see what we all get on this Lenovo. It is downloading some stuff in the background. Don't need that. Let's see how much stuff we get. So we get... Okay, you can stop now. Thank you. Okay, we'll do it later. So we have a whole bunch of stuff here. Ooh, there's even a Dolby Atmos. Get that zoomed in a bit. There's even a Dolby Atmos app, which I don't think I've ever seen come preloaded on a device before. Pretty much all your basic stuff. Got Google One, not sure what that one actually is. Keep Notes, Kid Space. A lot of this I'm just going to delete. Get Netflix right away. Tablet Center, YouTube Music. A lot of this I'll just end up deleting personally. But if you guys want to keep it, you can. Gives you a game there. Let's get rid of that. Let's go ahead here and see how fast this guy is. So let's see, first time doing this, we always do Pokemon first. If I can spell, Pokemon.com. Of course, this will be the first time going to it, and the first time to go to any website is going to take a bit longer. That's fine, please get out of my way. Hit desktop site. So that looks pretty dang good. Let's go ahead and hit muck. Yes, this seems pretty dang fast. Alright, let's try Best Buy. We will be doing some speed tests, of course, with all of the tablets I have. I want to see how this compares to my S6 Plus from Samsung. This seems pretty good. It's supposed to be a pretty decent tablet from the specs I saw, which we'll go over in a moment here, as long as you're on the box. But let's go ahead here and let's just hit. Of course, you have the swipe, which I always love. Let's just go. Let's hit Lenovo. Lenovo's making it big now. On Best Buy's main screen there. So this has, let's see, this has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It's rocking the MediaTek Helio G90T processor in it. It has Android 11, which also seems pretty good. So it's 210 right now. It's this guy right here. See how fast that loads in. I know I heard some people saying that the Helios are pretty good processors in these tablets. Let's see. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm really curious to see if this is as fast as the Samsung for way less money. Now it is 11 inches, which you do have 11-inch Samsung as well, of course. But yeah, this seems really good so far. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, I will be making a bunch more videos on this, including a bunch of comparisons. We'll probably do a review. I'm really curious to see how good these speakers are as well. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this device. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you guys have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.